Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to create unlimited AI videos using the Gemini app. I'll walk you through everything step by step, so make sure you watch until the end. Let's see how it works. First, open the Gemini app on your Android phone or iPhone. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account before you continue. Locate the video generation feature. If it's available on your account, tap it to start creating a new AI video. Now type a clear and detailed prompt describing the video you want Gemini to create. The more specific your prompt is, the better your final video will look. Done writing your prompt, tap Generate. Gemini will take a few moments to create your video. Just wait for it to finish. AI video is now ready. Tap on the video to preview it and make sure you're happy with the result. If everything looks good, tap the Save or Download button to save the video to your phone. Quick tip: the quality of your AI video depends on your prompt. Be specific about the subject, background, camera movement, lighting, and style to get much better results. If you reach your daily video limit, you'll need to wait until your quota resets. Some users also switch to another Google account that has access to Gemini, but availability depends on Google's current policy. Whenever you get a video you really like, save the prompt in your notes. That way, you can easily edit it and create similar videos without starting from scratch every time. The more you practice writing prompts, the better your AI videos will become. Experiment with different ideas, camera angles, and styles to create videos that stand out from everyone else's. Don't settle for your first result. If the video isn't exactly what you want, simply edit your prompt, add more details, and generate it again. Small changes to your prompt can make a big difference in the final video. Don't stop after creating just one version. Try changing the camera angle, background, or style in your prompt and generate another one. Sometimes, the second or third version turns out even better than the first. And that's how to create AI videos for free using the Gemini app. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Omas Unfiltered for more AI tips for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials, tech tips, and online money-making ideas. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.